Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about SGBs, sovereign gold bonds. Most of us interested to invest in gold, but we have fear about theft, purity, etc. But here is the opportunity to invest on gold in the form of bond, and also we will get interest on that. So let's begin with who is the issuer. SGB issued by the RBI on behalf of the Government of India. Are there any risks in investing in SGBs? There may be risk of capital loss if the market price of gold is declined. What are the benefits of SGBs? There is no GST, no TDS. You will get interest on semi-annually, and there is no chance of theft. Can minor invest in SGBs? Yes, minor can also invest in SGB. So, where we can invest? Where will get the application form? The application form will be provided by the issuing banks, Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited, Post Office or agent, or it can be downloaded from RBI website. But minimum investment is 1 gram, maximum is 4 kg for individuals. If trust, minimum is as usual 1 gram, maximum is 20 kg. In that you will get 2.50% per annum interest. That is a simple interest, not compound interest. Interest will be credited semi-annually to the bank account. Interest will be payable on maturity along with the principal amount. This can be trade on the bonds. If you want, you can tradable, you can sell, you can buy at the any time in the demat. If you purchase in the any demat account, if you purchase, you can sell anytime. And RBI will declare this date you can purchase. Anytime you will not purchase, RBI will give one notification in the their website, or you need to search maybe in the next month, Feb 5th to 9th is the gold bond they will issue. So if you want, you can purchase. For example, if you purchase in the 1 gram for rupees 5,000, and if you sell after 8 years, the gold rate always will go up. So it may 10,000, then directly you will get 5,000 rupees extra with interest. If you are purchasing gold today, you cannot sell before maturity. Maturity period is 8 years. After 8 years, you have to sell in the trade, and you need to get the cash equity in the form of cash. You need to get. If you want, you can purchase the gold, or once again you can invest. So this is the good opportunity those who are interested in gold, and you can easily get the bonds. If you have any doubt, you can put in the comment section. I will give the suggestion.